Mi 11 Ultra sale delayed indefinitely in India, Xiaomi apologizes to fans. After launching the Mi 11 Ultra in China in March, Xiaomi announced to bring its ultra-premium device to the Indian markets in April earlier this year. Since then, however, there has been no word on the availability of this ultra-flagship device in India. So, after almost 1.5 months, Xiaomi has finally broken its silence and revealed that Mi 11 Ultra shipments in India are delayed indefinitely. Mi 11 Ultra delayed indefinitely in India? The official Twitter handle of Mi India recently shared a tweet along with a letter addressed to Mi fans. In the letter, the company confirmed that shipments of the Mi 11 Ultra in India will be delayed due to circumstances beyond our control. You can check out the tweet. Now, Xiaomi did not specify any issues or causes related to the delay of the shipments. It only said that the team is working hard to bring Mi 11 Ultra to potential Indian customers as soon as possible. However, the company not being able to deliver the device to customers in time has led many of them to lash back at Xiaomi. After launching the Mi 11 Ultra in India, Xiaomi stayed silent about its availability for almost 6 weeks. As a result, many disappointed fans pointed out the company's irresponsibility in promising to bring the device to India and then not delivering it on time. As of now, there is no specific date or timeline for the availability of the Mi 11 Ultra in India. So, those of you who were planning on getting Xiaomi's Ultra Premium device will have to wait for some more time. Besides, if you are unaware of the specs and features of the Mi 11 Ultra, here is a quick rundown for you. Mi 11 Ultra, key specs and features. The Mi 11 Ultra packs a 6.81-inch Quad HD AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate and a 480 Hz touch sampling rate. It boasts a 20:9 aspect ratio with 2K resolution and features a punch-hole cutout to house a 20MP selfie snapper. Speaking of the cameras, the Mi 11 Ultra comes with a triple camera setup housed inside a massive camera module at the back. It includes a primary 50MP Samsung ISO CELLG N2 sensor along with a 48MP ultra-wide lens with 128-degree FOV and a 48MP periscope camera with support for 5x optical zoom, 10x hybrid zoom, and 120x digital zoom. However, the USP of the device is the tiny secondary display that sits inside the camera module. It resides next to the triple camera array at the back and acts as an always-on secondary display for the device. Inside, the Mi 11 Ultra packs the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Moreover, there is a massive 5000 mAh silicon oxygen anode battery inside that supports 67W wired fast charging as well as 67W wireless fast charging. It runs MIUI 12.5 based on Android 11 out of the box. As for the price of the device, the Mi 11 Ultra is priced at 69,999 rupees for the base model in India.